Can I use a homemade solution to defrost my car windows without heat?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to answer a question many of you have asked. Can I use a homemade solution to defrost my car windows without using heat? Well, the answer is absolutely. We will show you a simple, effective method using common household items.
What do I need to create my defrosting solution?
The homemade defrosting solution we're going to create uses just two ingredients you likely already have in your home: water and isopropyl alcohol. Water. We'll need 1/3 cup of water. You can use any kind of water, tap, bottled, distilled. It doesn't matter for this purpose. Isopropyl alcohol, also known as rubbing alcohol, this will make up 2/3 of our mixture. The higher the percentage, the better, but anything above 50% will work.
How do I prepare the defrosting solution?
Creating your homemade defrosting solution is as simple as mixing your two ingredients. Here's the step-by-step. 1. In a spray bottle, pour 1/3 cup of water. 2. Add 2/3 cup of isopropyl alcohol to the same spray bottle. 3. Shake well to mix. That's it. You've got your defrosting solution ready to go.
How do I use the defrosting solution?
Using your defrosting solution is equally as simple. Spray the solution generously onto your frosted car windows and watch as the ice begins to melt away. Remember to always test a small section first to ensure there's no adverse reaction. If the frost is particularly thick, you may need to use a plastic scraper to aid in the removal process. Make sure to avoid metal scrapers, which can scratch your windows. And there you have it, folks. You've now learned how to create a DIY defrosting solution for your car windows and how to use it effectively. No need to worry about leaving your car running for heat or dealing with stubborn ice on those cold mornings. Remember, safety is paramount. Always ensure your windows are fully clear before you drive. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, happy defrosting!